Hey guys, it's time for another badass theme review. If you have used the theme we're showing today, please leave a comment below sharing your experience with it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for the latest theme reviews.
Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be going through the installation process on a theme called Tanda. And it's known for software, technology, IT. It's a very technology-driven style website, as you can see from the demo here. Let's just open it up and get a look for. I'll take a look at what we're going to have to work with. Let's go ahead and click on Demo. And for this purpose, I'm just going to install the main demo, the multi-page. So very crisp, clean, easy to see, easy to navigate, with some very simplistic animation sets. Could be used for corporate, could be used for a business. You could even say it's a little bit on the modern side. So let's just take a look with one more internal page. Classic header across the top with the site title, the page title right there. We got some nice graphics that are kind of floating. The background's clean and crisp. Got some accordion menus. So overall, this looks like a really fun theme to use, as well practical for your next WordPress project. As always, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can buy this theme on Themeforest. But without any further ado, let's get into the installation process. So as you can see, I've got the theme installed here in WordPress. And it's active, so let's go into install plugins and start the process here. So I'm going to go ahead and click install. As you can see, there's only like 6 plugins that are required to make this work. That's a great sign. Depending on the speed of your hosting, this could take a short while, or if you've got more on hosting on the affordable side, this could take several minutes. And so that's totally dependent on where you're going to be doing the installation. As you can see, I've completed the installation process for those plugins. Let's go ahead and just get certain ones activated that are lightweight. The moment you install WP Bakery and then activate it, it goes to its own screen. So we're going to just continue with what we have here, doing the smaller ones first. And finally, we'll do the WP Bakery. Again, if I hit refresh, we'll get the WP Bakery splash screen. You are not allowed to access this page. Okay, that's normal. No big deal. I'll just get rid of that and go back to the installation process. There's the WP Bakery thing that I was looking for. And so far, there's really not been an error. So let's go into the demo content. We're going to just, like I said, we're going to install the multi-page. And we're going to install this first demo. So let's click Import Demo. We don't want to import any of these additional add-ons. So we're going to continue with the import. And now it's importing the theme. So at this point, depending on what your hosting is, this right here could take 30 seconds. It could take several minutes. If you're doing this install, let's say on a managed WordPress, something like like a GoDaddy managed WordPress, this process might time out, or it would take a pretty substantial amount of time. And so this is probably best suited for a Linux cPanel hosting, the kind you find on GoDaddy or HostGator or like InMotion, things like that. So I like to make these videos unedited when I can, just so that you can get a real-time feel for how long it's going to take on your end. And so during portions of the video, when you just see like me importing content, I'll probably just speed it up so that you don't have to sit through the entire process. But as of right now, we're about 4.5 minutes in, and I have a pretty fast server that we're doing this on. So we'll be checking back as soon as the demo content has completed the install. And the install has been completed. So let's take a quick look at the site and see if the install did officially bring everything in the way it's supposed to. And you can see that it did. That looks excellent. Let's just jump through some pages and see what we got here. I like the animations. Let's go to company, about company. Okay, so wow, even with the blue background, that looks really nice. Very professional, very more on the corporate side, but there's a little bit of a tech feel to it. Again, we were on this page during the demo, so just kind of glance through a page or two. Yeah, I really like this theme. And let's go into services, version 1. You got a parallax section in the background, pop-up video, beautiful. I really like this. All right, well let's get into what you came to see. I should change the name of the theme here. So this is from a previous video. No big deal. Save changes. Perfect. All right, so let's find ourselves the theme options and let's go take a look at the back end and see what we have in terms of flexibility. Okay, so we got the top bar, office hours, very easy, excellent. Social icons, same. Additional links, heading, beautiful. Take a look at the header options. All right, so this is really easy to swap out logos. I'm happy to see that. We've got a call to action that we can change. And this is obviously be here on, right here, call us today. Let's just do it quick. 111, 111, 1111. Let's hit save. Come back to the site, refresh. Boom. Real simple and straightforward. We can jump into the footer, make changes. I like that company link styling. Strong blue. Let's just change the color to, let's say, orange and see what it looks like. Okay, hit refresh. Boom. Super simple throughout the website, even with gradients. Look at that. That's really well built. Okay, let's take a quick look at the pages. Let's go into the front page. Okay, clean and crisp Visual Composer layouts. I like it. It's the hero section. Swap out the image. IT systems creating a better. Look at this, creating a better IT solutions. Well, let's see here, creating a better badass themes. And how about reviewing badass themes? And let's click update. Hit refresh. Reviewing badass themes. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, this theme is well built. It's easy to make changes to. There's lots of good controls on the back end from the developer side of you. And I think that you'll have a lot of fun and a lot of value using this theme on your next website build. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this. And until next time, thanks for watching today's theme review.